Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to turn on or off mobile data tracking on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left and choose here settings. From list of settings, you need to use this left menu, and as you can see, if you scroll down to the bottom, you should find here privacy. And now if you scroll down here, you've got here the global data switch. This is the master toggle for your car's built-in internet connection. Turning it on allows the vehicle to send and receive online network data. Turning it off instantly puts the car into off privacy mode, stopping all internet functions at once. So if you would like to disable it, let's just use this switcher and all of those functions will be disabled. Alright, let me enable this. And as you can see now, you can enable also the map and voice and also third-party online services. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.